Hello student, today I am performing the practical, that is the isolation and the screening of organic acid producing microorganisms. So you are know about what are the organic acids and how they are produced. Organic acids like the zebratic acid, then the acetic acid, then the lactic acid, then the gluconic acid. These type of the acids that are produced by the fermentation process. This is a microbial process for which we are producing this organic acids. Okay, like the lactic acid. So this is produced by the lactobacillus species, and all these organic acids, they have a different application in the different industry. So for this we have required the plate. Okay, the plate name, that is a nutrient agar plate, or the nutrient agar that is supplemented with the CaCO3, calcium carbonate, as well as it is also supplemented with the sucrose. So we can get the colonies that producing the organic acid. That means the colony that have a microorganism that have a capacity to produce the organic acids. Okay, so for the principle how these organic acids produced by the microorganism, in the principle we can produce this organic acid producing microorganism by two ways. First, that is in which nutrient agar that is supplemented with the neutral red dye, that is means the pH indicator dye, like a neutral red, as well as you can also add the bromothiamine blue dye. Okay, so after inoculation you can get the colony that have a capacity to produce the organic acid. How you can show that this colony have a capacity to producing this organic acid? It can be seen by the color changing of the plate. That means this neutral red that is added into the nutrient agar, they change the color. Okay, that means the plate color that means changed, as well as the bromothiamine blue that is added into a nutrient agar is also changed. Okay, the blue color that is changed in a different color, that means acid is produced, that means it is converted into a yellow color. So you can determine that this colony that have a capacity to produce the organic acid, that means the colony that have organisms that have a capacity to produce the organic acid. Then the second way how you can isolate this organic acid producing microorganism. The second way, that is the nutrient agar that is supplemented with the calcium carbonate, as well as it is also supplemented with the sucrose. Okay, so after incubation with this nutrient agar that is supplemented with the CaCO3 and the sucrose, then colony that have a capacity to utilize this CaCO3 as well as the sucrose, that are the organic acid producers. Okay, that have a clear area surrounding the colony. That means this colony that have a organic acid producer. Okay, so this is about the principle and how you can perform this isolation in the screening of the organic acid producer. For this we have required the soil. Okay, this is the isolation procedure. So you are known that we are carried out the process that is the spray plate technique. Okay, so for this we require the soil. First we weigh the 1 gram of soil. Okay, weigh 1 gram of soil, then it is added into a 10 ml of sterile distilled water. Okay. Then after this soil is mixed in the distilled water, then allow the solid particles in the soil to settle down. Then after you have to making the serial dilution from the original soil suspension. For this we are required the pipette, that is sterilizer. You can see in this soil suspension the solid particles that is settled down, and the supernatant that you have to taken in a sterile pipette. You have to take 1 ml of the Supernut from the original soil suspension, and it is added into a 9 ml of sterile distilled water. Okay. Then you have to mix it. Okay. So, and then write down what is this dilution. This is a 10⁻⁻1 dilution. Then after mixing, you have to use similar pipette, as well as you can use the new pipette from the 10⁻⁻1 dilution tube. You have to again take 1 ml of the 10⁻⁻1 suspension, and it is added into a new 9 ml of sterile distilled water tube. Okay. Then mix. So it become a 10⁻². Then after, from the 10⁻², again you have to take 1 ml and add it into a 9 ml of sterile distilled. Okay. So it become a 10⁻³ dilution. Okay. So after making dilution, after making serial dilution, you have to spray each of the dilution. You have to take 0.1 ml of inoculum from each of the dilution tube, and it is added into it, or it is put on the surface of a nutrient agar plate that containing the 1% CaCO3 and the 3% sucrose. So I am taking a last dilution, that is I am making a 10⁻³ dilution, from which I am taking a 0.1 ml of inoculum. And it is put on a nutrient agar plate that have a CaCO3 and sucrose. Then this inoculum is sprayed with the sterile glass spreader. And how you can sterile this glass spreader, that you are know. This glass spreader is dipping in a alcohol and then burn this alcohol, so it become a sterilized. After cooling down this glass spreader, you have to spray this inoculum like this way. You have to spread the inoculum until this inoculum is absorbed on this plate, absorbed on the medium. Okay, when you are performing your practical, you are not allowed to talk. So this plate is named as a nutrient agar plate plus CaCO3 and sucrose containing plate, and you have to write down the date. What is the date? And this plate is incubated at 37°C for 24 hours. From the each dilution, you have to likewise performing this spray plate technique. After incubation, you can get the growth. Okay, like this growth. You can see the plate. That plate have a growth. Okay, the plate have a long growth, and you cannot see the clear area surrounding the colony. So you have to require this plate to further incubation. That means you have required further 24 incubation this plate, so you can clear area surrounding the colony. Then you can see this clear area surrounding the colony. That is the organic acid producer. Okay, thank you.